A 4-thread construction seam on the Brother 1034D Serger is truly everything at its normal setting. So normal would be the tensions all at 4, good quality thread in the serger, both the left and the right needle, making sure that the left needle is higher than the right needle. And then all the settings over here on the side of the serger are set at the darkest settings. So for example, on the front, our cutting width is at 5, our settings for the stitch length are at 3, and for the differential feed over here, it's set at 1. So to really do a nice, perfect 4-thread overlock, what you're looking for is that you have your 2 needles, those are creating your construction seam, and your 2 loopers. Those are the 2 threads going back and forth, one on the top, one on the back, and they link right along the edge. This seam is perfect for stitching denim, stretchy fabrics, anything that is woven fabrics. It creates a seam, and with those 2 needles, it's very, very secure. And if we were doing a actual knit fabric, so for example, without changing anything, I'm going to sew on the stretchy side here. The same 4-thread construction seam can be sewn on knits, and then it'll have the stretch and give plus the seam, the construction seam, for any project you're sewing fabrics together.